How to show badges exclusively for logged-in users. Navigate to Product Badges. Click on the Add New button to create a new badge. Enter a descriptive name for your badge to help you identify it later. Choose the label style that best suits your store's design. Adjust the width to fit your needs. Change the color to match your store theme. Add custom text for your badge. Modify the border radius to give the badge a rounded or sharp look. Move the badge to the right or left. Fine-tune its placement using pixel adjustments. Add a shadow effect to make your badge stand out. Apply an animation effect like flash. Set the duration for the effect. Navigate to Products and Conditions tab. In the Products section, select Is on Sale. Set it to Yes. To add more conditions, click on the plus or group button. Select Is Logged In and set it to Yes, to make the badge visible only to logged-in users. Once you've set everything up, click on the Save button. Visit your store and log in to check your badge on sale products. Now display badge on product page. How to display badges based on user roles in WooCommerce. Disable status. Click on the Add New button to create a new badge. Enter a descriptive name for your badge to help you identify it later. Choose a label style that fits your store's design. Adjust the color to match your store's theme for a seamless look. Add custom text for your badge. Set the font weight to bold for a standout appearance. Change the font size to ensure the text is easily readable. Navigate to Products and Conditions tab. In the Products section, select Is on Sale. Set it to Yes. Click the plus or group button to add a new condition. Select User Role, set it to Selected, and choose Customer and Subscriber roles. Once you've set everything up, click on the Save button. Visit your store as a customer or subscriber user. You should see the badge on the On Sale products. Check the product pages to see the badge displayed on sale products. How to display badges based on customer spending in WooCommerce. Click on the Add New button to create a new badge. Enter a descriptive name for your badge to help you identify it later. Go to the Modern Badges tab. Select a badge style that aligns with your store's design and branding. Add custom text for your badge. Adjust the width to fit your preference. Change font size. Fine-tune the horizontal and vertical alignment to position the badge perfectly. Choose a main badge color to match your store's theme. Set a secondary badge color for a complementary look. Navigate to Products and Conditions tab. In the Products section, select Stock Status. Set the condition to In Stock to display the badge for available items. Click the plus or group button to add another condition. Choose Money Spent as the condition. Set it to All Time, and configure it as greater than with a specific amount. For example, greater than $2,000. Once you've set everything up, click on the Save button. Navigate to WooCommerce Customers section. In your WooCommerce Customers section, verify conditions. For instance, if John has spent $2,600, he meets the criteria. Log in as John and visit your store. You'll see the badge displayed on eligible products. Now display badge on product page. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or badge and product label for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Product Badges. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Go to the Product Badges section and look for the option to download the Pro version. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. You're all set to start using the enhanced features to customize your product badges.